in terms of, the strategy perhaps having to change and shift, and given this potential new variant, which may, it appears, have a more serious impact on our children, can you state categorically that our schools are going to reopen on January the 6th? Because it appears around Europe, other countries are beginning to look and say, maybe it's not a good time to bring all of the children back and everything that goes along with that.
So the government decision today is very clear that the schools are scheduled to reopen at the end of the Christmas holidays. As with anything, obviously, be it healthcare facilities or any other part of our society, we'll keep the situation under careful consideration. However, the public health advice has been unambiguous on this right from the start, which is due to the lower transmission rates that we see in children and due to the wonderful work that our teachers, that our public health teams, that our principals and indeed our students themselves have done. The public health advice consistently has been the students are safer in schools in terms of the virus than they are in the community, because the positivity rates, the testing rates have been lower in the schools than in the community.